Morning everyone, it's Mr. Allen for a very special Golden Ticket Assembly, and it's Friday the 17th of April. Hope you're all well, hope you're all safe. Really special assembly today because we're giving out golden tickets. These will be coming in the post to these children in each of the classes. Teachers have selected from those that have been putting lots and lots on Class Dojo. Please look out for these in the post. And these are the following children who have earned themselves golden tickets over the past week. We're starting off in Year 3, and in Year 3 you will see this child has been doing lots of home learning, sharing lots on Class Dojo. Child has not got a golden ticket this year. Bit of a clue there, and they've shown they're deserving, they're getting this one now. That goes to Oliver Novak. Well done, Oliver, fantastic buddy, well done. Congratulations, huge congratulations. Golden ticket is winging its way in the post to you very shortly. Keep up all that amazing work. Thank you, buddy. And the next Year 3 class, we have child logging into Spelling Shed, times table rock star, completing their schoolwork, sharing lots of photos and fun activities on Class Dojo every single day. The other Year 3 recipient of the golden ticket goes to Oliver Bector, and Oliver has been posting. Huge congratulations. Well done, Oliver. Really well deserved. This golden ticket will be winging its way in the post to you. Look out for it. It'll have your name on it. So please keep that safe. Keep it somewhere safe. And keep up putting lots and lots on Class Dojo. Moving into Year 4. In Year 4, we have a child who created a blanket. It's a bit of a clue. One of you might know who that is now coming up. But they created a tent. But they've completed every piece of work really neatly and to the best of their ability. This one goes to Bart. Well done, Bart. You can see all of his work there. Huge congratulations, Bart. Well done. Golden ticket winging its way to you. Keep it up, buddy. I love the tent. It's a really nice idea because it keeps you nice encapsulated there. So, but some fantastic work. Well done. Next Year 4 class, we have a child who been posting loads of work, and Mum says it's been really helpful, which is fantastic news for me because I know we've had conversations about him being helpful at times. But here's a picture of him taken out of the recycler. This golden ticket goes to Damien. Well done, Damien. Golden ticket winging its way. Brilliant, buddy. Lovely to see you smiling. Really lovely to see you helping out so much. So keep it up, you little superstar. That is winging its way in the post to you very shortly. In Year 5, we have variety of work. This child, oh my word, completing, uploading on Class Dojo, reading, writing, cooking, science, much more. I mean, there's too much to mention, but really deserving of this golden ticket. And it goes to Jamie Wiley. You superstar, Jamie. I've never seen so much on Class Dojo. Keep it up, buddy. Huge congratulations. This is winging its way to you in the post. Look out for it. It has your name on it. It will be coming to you very soon. Huge congratulations, buddy. Well done. The other Year 5 class, we have a child again. This one's created storyboard, turned it into a stop motion animation movie. We've got letters to residents and local care homes, completed numerous maths activities, research facts about Anglo-Saxon related and written stories, written books. Just the list goes on and on. Could not be a more deserving winner of this golden ticket, and that goes to Scarlett Hubbard. Superb, Scarlett. Really well done, Scarlett. Huge congratulations. This is winging its way to you very shortly. Look out for it in the post. Keep up all that amazing work. It is absolutely brilliant. Moving into Year 6. We've got in Year 6, first one, for staying in contact. And what this child's been doing every single day. This child is excellent emailing themselves because they're in Year 6, keeping in touch with the teacher, keeping in touch every single day. Clearly working really hard. A really deserving golden ticket winner. And it goes to Jack David Cameron. Well done, Jack, you little superstar. Fantastic work. Look out for this. It's coming to you in the post very shortly. Keep up emailing, keep up doing all that work. It's really lovely to see you working so hard. The final one in Year 6, quite simply, their effort throughout this period has been phenomenal. Mr. Davidson, really simply, all of your efforts, all the way through, deserving, getting these golden tickets have been phenomenal. This child, the final one in Year 6, goes to Tia Hughes. Well done, Tia. Fantastic effort. This is winging its way to you. Keep up the really good work. I love your little hat there, your bonnet, your Easter bonnet. Looked fantastic. Final message really from me is just basically stay safe, stay in, stay well. Hopefully we'll see you all again very soon. But please do take care and stay safe. Bye-bye for now, everyone.